1. Set a specific goal you want to achieve and put it in your room to always remind yourself that that goal exists and that's what you should be working on. 2. Take a selfie right now and see how much you changed in a year. 3. Make a to-do list of things you can do to get closer to your goals. Spend time thinking on it. 4. Break down the big goals step by step. If your goal is running a marathon, you don't need to worry about that. You just need to go on your first run. 5. Understand that feeling pressure, being uncomfortable, feeling scared is great because that means you're growing. 6. If you're spending too much time on an app, just delete it. Make it hard and annoying to use if you keep on having to reinstall it. 7. Think to yourself. Spend more time doing than watching, or creating than consuming. 8. Be patient. Let time do its thing. Give time time. 9. Look at the small wins and go after them. So much motivation comes from those little wins. 10. Drink some more water. Tastes good, it's good for you, and it can't go wrong. 11. Spend extra time outside than you normally do, even if it's just 1 extra minute. They add up and they do help. 12. Write down things you want to remember. Maybe it's a quote you heard. Maybe it's even something I've said so far in this video. Write it down. 13. Smile. A little smile can go a long way, and I know you kind of got a smirk right now. You want to smile some more. Just do it. Just smile right now. 14. Think positive. I really like to think, and what helped me go through the year was thinking that everything happens for a reason. Don't worry about the past. Focus on the future. 15. Hopefully you like the vibe of this video so far. Consider subscribing, because the next time you want to watch a video, you can hopefully get something that is helpful and you get to see my face again. 16. Save this video also, either on your watch later or by liking it, so you can remember this video. I don't just disappear into your thoughts and into YouTube. 17. Try something new, whether it's a hobby, a sport, or an experience. Try it before it's too late. 18. Say hi to people you recognize. It can really go a long way. 19. Whenever you do something, ask yourself, will this help my future self? Will my future self be proud that I'm doing this? 20. Just stand up for a second. Try to spend more time being active and moving around. 21. Fail at something and then learn from it. 22. Try to be present and do things with full attention, one thing at a time. You'll actually get more done from doing that, and the things you do will be a lot higher of quality. 23. Posture check. Probably got you with that one. And 24. Take a deep breath. 25. Have a happy new year. There will be times where it's not going well. You wish things were different. Times you want to cry. You're going to see someone for one of the last times in your life. That's okay. Because there'll also be amazing times, great times. So learn from both of them. Stuff is going to happen, but if you can do the other 24 things, I believe it'll help you a lot. So make this year count, and let's go. 2025, let's freaking go. All right, peace.